Hello friends, welcome to Tiasha's world. I'm back with another healthy recipe for you guys. And thank you so much for loving my first healthy recipe in this year. Friends, if you are new to my channel, this is Tiash from California. I am a mom, a teacher, and a certified health coach. I help people to select right kind of food according to their body. In this video, I am going to show you how to make healthy and tasty recipe by using 1 inch of cinnamon stick. I am using a half cup measuring spoon here, that's why taking 2 times. Give me your feedback. I would like to read all your comments and that motivates me to make more healthy video for you guys. And of course you can use the same batter to make many things. You can make it like small sweet apple or waffle. I often use that batter to make waffle for my son. Okay, bye friends. A pancake recipe video with your friends and family so that together we can build a healthy community. Thank you.